Graphics cards are expensive enough, so why pay even more over what Nvidia's already charging for the new top-of-the-line GPUs? So something like the Gigabyte RTX 4070 Super Windforce OC with its $600 price tag matching the MSRP of the base 4070 Super could be just what a doctor ordered if you're looking for a no-frills experience of what this brand new SKU from Nvidia can offer. And starting off with performance, well, calling this card OC Gigabyte is misleading at best and an insult to reality at worst, because you're getting a mere 30 MHz over stock boost clocks. And seeing how RTX 40 series graphics cards don't really like being overclocked, odds are you probably won't be getting more than around 50 to 100 MHz extra from a manual overclock. Though thankfully it's pretty easy to cool, at least, seeing how that's a true fan setup, and a pretty hefty heatsink. And even though it is wider and taller than a reference 4070 Super to accommodate said heatsink, lengthwise it's actually a bit shorter than Nvidia's reference unit, which is nice I guess, and it means that you don't have to worry about room in your PC as much. Well, okay, it's still big, but you know, it's not as big as RTX 40 series is capable of being, so that's an achievement, I guess. Finally, when it comes to the video outputs, it's the same disappointment I'm used to by now, with 3 DisplayPort connectors and 1 HDMI one, a far cry from what Gigabyte used to deliver just a few short generations ago. And while I could still complain about how a single HDMI is unacceptable in this day and age, I'm pretty sure I'm the only one who cares. And it's something that's not going to stop most people from buying this graphics card, because again, at $600, so the MSRP of the RTX 4070 Super, it's more than enough for most people. And sure, while its aesthetic isn't anything too special, I mean, it doesn't even have any RGB, it's just another example of solid Gigabyte GPU design that we should be used to by now. So hey, if you want to get this yourself, then the links to it will be up in the iCards and down in the video description below, where you'll also find a Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks, plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Balash Volker, not a pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Sheen Ulcroft, Lensby, and Level Up. Anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.